Sure, guys, I hope unaphila. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today we are back with another album review. So siphethe udlala kusukuzini intwana yaseDurban, intwana ase-Claremont. So today siphethe one of the biggest producer esake saba producer eDurban or LCT Win, because this guy kade asiqala ngeproduction but ke ukhiphe album entsha ke album ibizwa uMavis. I think uMavis ugogo wakhe, because I remember last time win a Song of the Year weza lapha eGagasini receive the prize leya Song of the Year, and wahamba nogogo wakhe kuye lo should know story sakhe. Wena umuntu akade emnakekela, wena umuntu akade nje emnakile lakhe yonke impilo yakhe, wena umuntu obalekile. So I think umntwana kagogo lo udlala Thukzini, so igama uthi decide ukulibiza ngesigriza ke. So album inengoma ezu12 iphume ngomhla ka28 November. Maningi ama-album aphume that day, but I think leya Thukzini outstanding because album amaningi like akade elindiwe this is one of them album, because last year we had to keep album enaleya ngoma leyana nayo ekhompyutha i4 Song of the Year leyana isohlala sisonke. So this year besimlindile sizothi uzanani, because like usebe consistent like after I plan waphinde wakhipha ialbum enye nayo le album futhi I think leya last year na ithe even though bengenazi ingoma eningi lezi ekhompyutha for Song of the Year, but ihlala sonke yakwazi ukuthi imthathe futhi imphinde imfake ku top 10. And this year na futhi ingoma again engangena ku top 10 imali, because lapha ku top 20 lokhozi bifakiwe lapha. So abantu abaningi bebeyilindile ngamehla abovu, because sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi no sakhipha apha, and I think one of the few abantu abakhipha apha when it's coming to ukuchase for Song of the Year, because abaningi bafike beshise one kulo unyaka olandelayo and umuntu akasekho nakuma-chat sekukhulunywa ngabanye like abantu edisikhuluma ngabo last year abaningi abasekho this time. But ngifuna sifocus i-album le, because ayinazo ingoma eningi, nami ngizotomula lezi ezimbalwa engiyithandile nabantu abambalwa abasebenzise nabo, because I think abantu ba-contribute kakhulu on this album abantu abafana nabo Sax. uSax ufisa rishoke ingoma eziningi kakhulu, and MK Production ukhona ingoma eningi nakhulu. So I think abantu abathe kuba nesandla isithe uqina but ke nje ngizogquma kulezi ngoma ezimbalwa engiyithandile yabo, ngaze ngikhulume kakhulu. So there is one song ebizwa ngeMoja lapha inomjida obizwa ngo-MK Production, omunye umuntu nawo nesandla esimnandi kakhulu when it comes to production. So leyo ngoma enayo ke lo I think i-outstanding for mina. Ngithema ngilalela i-album no okay this one I think iyalenda, ngiyayizwa ngiyifila leyo ngoma le imoja abantu bebheke leyo enye ingoma nayo emnandi kule album ephumile. Then there's also another song ithi udaba but ino Sax engikwazi, because nami album iseyinjalo mhlawumbe ngisalalele 2 times leyo ngoma leyo nayo inesindo ibalance. And I think uSax dise majita umjito usebenzile maningi ama features esembone kuona, khona ingoma lethi shaya khona ama-remix obheka Muzil Thuli, ukhona koBaba Motho like omunye umuntu osebenzile lise. So I feel omunye umuntu odeserve ama-flowers masikhuluma ngabantu abaspanile ku-2025 uSax umjito ukhuphuke kakhulu kulo nyaka. But there's also another song ene-vocalist yami efemale okuyona engiyithandayo le Mzansi, uNkosazane Daughter lakha. uNkosazane there's no bad song angayizi noNkosazane, ngisho ngathi ingoma mhlawumbe iproducer wathi wafaka ivoice yakhe like indlela aka-understanda ngawo ama-melodies ufike elende engomeni. And leyo ngoma le into engithande kakhulu kuyona beside uNkosazane production yakhona leyo ngoma, because ingoma eningi like obvious album yaThukzini izoba i-tech iphinde be-3 step, but ingoma eningi like mhlawumbe abanye bazothi ezinye ziyafana, but that song like ine-production ethe ukuba different like and ithe ukuba heavy kakhulu, idinga engathi ungaba ne-sound system yabo engadedema bo like sound system angempela uzoyizwa kahle leyo ngoma iyahlala ngempela. But there's also another song Asilali engikhumbuze uThukzini le lwesasifeni yakhe mhlawumbe ngabo 2019 esakhipha ama-EP ama-permanent music, because lo Thukzini sasimlalela that time wengena ingoma eningi zakhe zazingenawo ama-vocals, even ukushaya nje mhlawumbe ingoma ka6 minutes la kuthothi ingoma yonke i-beat. So leyo ngoma-ke le nayo uthe ukubulela kuleyo ma-route akhe laphana like dlala nje isikhathi eside yinde and uyinikeza isikhathi ukuthi i-beat idlale laphana, because uThukzini abantu abaningi sebemazi ngo-Plan, but before Plan bezikhona ingoma eningi ekade ekeepers lo ezidlala ezinye bezinganama-instrument beyithathe be-remix uzosedlala e-written, because ulo muntu ogood ku-production. That's why even no DJ no producer abaningi bayamrespecta, because igama lakhe aliqali manje, waqala nje kudala eshaya inamba. That's why amampintshi wamthatha umsondezi wambeka le eduze. So leyo ngoma Asilali nayo enye ingoma ehlangene kakhulu, but a song very interesting ibizwa ngemali 2.0 because iyakhumbula ukuthi uThukzin unemali already ngoba lenozinqa imalo and iyachatha laphana, yiyo le ngoma engenza ingene ku top 10 ye-song of the year. But there's also another imali abayenzile and uyenzela lo mjida lo wamapiano lo odume kakhulu ngamagimmick u-Uncool MC. So lo ngoma leyo no I know ilendile mangilalela like inalo ngathi kusample there's song ayenziwe noMpure laphana le iphuze lenziwe laphana eDurban kule camp amajidela amapiano abayenze nonkosazana nedota laphana. So moyilalela inalo ma element, but u-Uncool I think useyilontshe icareer yakhe manje akasesu MC kuphela la ukuthi mhlawumbe uzohamba noPori noKabza leyo lo igxuma I think semele ikhiphe i-album because no amjida ama-line akhe la kade ngasehlangene I think use-ready. So nje ngithandile lo ngoma ngizwa ivesi ka-Uncool indlela akabalance ngayo la ngiyambona no akaseselo mjida amagimmick manje use-artist ngempela. So lo ngoma la ngiyithandile and I think enye ngoma ezoperforma kule album leyo. Mhlawumbe sengivala nje enye ngoma engithandile mina nawe ino-sax nayo laphana lo mjida loyo yo hayi as I said usebenze kakhulu umjida, so ama-flowers akhe awa-deserve. But ke mase ngivala nje mhlawumbe just i-overall ukuthi ibinjani i-album leya noma ngisayizwe kanjani because kusaphele 2 days kuphela ngishutha ku Sunday, so kusaphele 2 days kuphela iphumile le album. So I think just to be fair ngayinikeza maybe like u9 out of 10 because ayinazo ingoma eningi and azikho ingoma ebhedala laphana ihlangene. One of the album ahlangene ngisazwile this festive season because alekha ama-album e-house amnandi this season. Ingoma eningi ezinama-album amnandi angifuna uqamba amanga futhi ezamaskandi lo nyaka, but ke when it's come to i-Chris Step I think uThukzin uba representile because as I said kwenye video yama before I feel like i-album outstanding ngisayizwile i-Chris Step noma i-album nje e-house ngisayizwile ile dikisho lo mntu ilamajida lawo uThukthela and ngiyazi besebenzisana close kakhulu noThukzin. So I think nale yakhe izongena kulo match. So I think right now no ayisesinazo ingoma esobheka ngazo nge-festive season. Le album evela sinikeza ingoma ze-summer zikhona ke la sikhona ingoma ezi-serious even though mhlawumbe ezinye kabanye bo-catch up sebe-catch up last year because i-album iphumelele but no i-album isolid uThukzin isifuni sakho sasibambile. I think namanje when it comes to production eDurban I know usabamele manje I think useqala nokumela i-country kakhulu futhi ngoba senalo link uphinde ethathe laphana ku-Uncool ezamapiano ephinde efake ngapha I think usazoba relevant isikhathi eside uThukzin. So nje hayi ngeke asihlonipheni indlondlo yeqhuma uThukzin I know because angifuni ukuthi sikhulume nge-mixing because when it comes to mixing abantu abaningi bayaphuma nokuphuma ku-topic uvele saleyedwa laphana. So grind nje sakhona nge-production nanendlela i-album e-arrangewe ngayo ngithandile even nane-intro yakhona laphana inama-keys amnandi. I'm not sure ukuthi ubani odlala ama-keys laphana but ke iphethe abantu aba-talented abafana nabo-MK Production. So ube ngezegeje iphethe lezo nkabi lezo. So nje ku-Speaker Nawe ngizoyivala khona la ivideo kaThukzin sekhona on Twitter @Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Instagram Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Twitter Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Twitch Speaker Nawe, usearch usifollowe everywhere. We out.